through glowing fields where glowing creatures trace. Mechanical nymphs dancing in daisy lace, and their eyes a journey, a wild intergalactic place. Galaxies of rhythm beat in every space. Ethereal voices shimmering in glassy grace. Stars flickering like notes in a melodic case. In this soundscape, time leaves no trace. Ethereal journey of velocity and grace. A symphony of pulses in an endless embrace. A world ethereal in its fluid pace. In this transitory world, we find our place. Every space, ethereal voices shimmering in glassy grace. Stars flickering like notes in a melodic case. In this soundscape, time leaves no trace. Ethereal journey of velocity and grace. A symphony of pulses in an endless embrace. A world ethereal in its fluid pace. In this transitory world, we find our place.